وقال عليه السلام: خالطوا الناس مخالطة إن متم وعها بك وعلكم، وإن عشتم حنوا إليكم.
Live among people in such a way that if you die, they cry, and if you live, they long to meet you. Imam Ali, A.S., emphasizes the importance of social behavior and good character in Islam. He advises us to interact with people in a way that earns their love and respect, so much so that they would miss us if we were gone and grieve for us when we pass away. The Prophet, Pbuh, and the Ahlul Bayt, A.S., have also emphasized the importance of treating all people with kindness and respect. The Quran and the teachings of the Prophet, Pbuh, encourage Muslims to be good to all people, regardless of their background or faith. By adopting good character and behavior, we can attract people to Islam and earn their respect. Imam Ali's, A.S., actions, such as accompanying a non-Muslim traveler and showing him kindness, demonstrate the importance of good character in Islam. May we strive to be ambassadors of Islam, spreading its message of love, compassion, and kindness to all people.